All right, guys, so we back with another video, man. Now, a long time ago, if you guys don't remember, video will be right here. I had a matte screen protector, paper-like feel type screen protector on my iPad Air 4, man, and I actually really disliked it because I felt like it took away from the quality, the visual quality of the screen. I felt like it made it a little pixelated for me. So, as time went on, I decided to just take it off. And the purpose of this video today is I finally put a tempered glass screen protector right here on my iPad Air 4 because truth be told, I was running this iPad naked, to be honest with you guys. I took off that screen protector and I don't know how long it's been, but I took it off and I was running it with no clothes on, and I just felt like it was time to put a tempered glass screen protector on here because I felt like I was doing my iPad a disservice without putting some type of protection on here. So lo and behold, I jumped on Amazon and I grabbed me a little 3-pack of screen protectors, tempered glass. And today I wanted to just let you guys hang out with me while I throw it on, man. So let's just do it.